All right, here's the scoop. I got this Civic that I've been working on. Well, I started like 10 years ago, then I stopped for a long time. We bought this house, I put the lift up, and now back to the Civic. So I started doing a K20 swap. And I started, and then I have to finish, and I got some clips of what I've done so far. And in the past couple of months, I started working on it a little bit here and there. We got to point of first start, but crank, no start. I gave a little bit of starter fluid, and it kicked right over, it ran. So I went to the fuel pump, and the fuel pump is crusty, musty. So that needs to get replaced. Oh, I went to go replace that, and that's what it looks like. Horrible. So then I looked inside the tank itself, and the tank looked really, really disgusting. So I want to drop the tank and assess how bad it is. So today's mission, drop the tank. And let's see what it looks like when I get it up. There's a drain, I think, on this tank. Right there. So I kind of want to crack the drain loose and see what comes out of it. It's going to be disgusting. Man. What color do you think this is going to come out looking like? I'm expecting it's going to smell like varnish, but you won't know. And it's going to come out the color of rust. Only one way to find out. Not as bad as I thought. Look at this drain plug. Look how much rust is on it. If you're wondering why I'm dropping this, wait till we drop it and you see what's inside. And don't tell me that gas is good. 10 years old. Cool, that one's moving. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Alright. I'll plug it back up. That's enough. Oh man. Gotta catch it before it goes down into your armpit. Trust me. Success. So I'm gonna put the other strap in, then get this bolt out, then put that bolt back in. And then for that other strap bolt, I'm gonna lower this whole thing down and then take them out. I hope that made sense. All right, another one.